transmission's wobbling a little bit top end. Oh!
Go, blow a lot of money on dope. Blow a lot of money on guns. Spend a little money on hoes. Blow a lot of money on diamonds. The main reason why I be shining. Ice on ice. Lost a lot of money in the trap. Then got it back off rhyming.
If you didn't watch the end of one of the last videos, I did say the 328, my daily, will be gone soon and we will be getting a new daily. I had to replace the transmission mounts on my 328, giving it an insane must-needed detail on the entire interior and exterior, getting it ready to be sold after today. I have a buyer for it as well, so this will probably be the last time you ever see the 328. It has been a great car to me, but it's gonna have to be another good car to someone else because we finally did get the X5 diesel M57 engine. Will be finally able to tow my 335 to race events and not use my dad's truck. No more beige seats getting all dirty. So we're cleaning up a little bit of the door panels and all that, but the seats and the dash look insanely clean in here. Looks a lot better. Then to be fast, just to be a good reliable daily and learn how to work on the V90 platform and get used to the car. I will say 328 N52 is one of the best, most reliable and affordable engines in the BMW platform.
Go, blow a lot of money on dope, blow a lot of money on clothes, blow a lot of money on guns.
My boy Xavier just brought his E92. We're gonna get a boost leak check on that. Mike, E92, we got to do a radiator swap on that. We're going to go ahead and get those done real quick. Swift Motorsports in Douglasville. For any of your BMW needs, make sure you follow the Instagram on the screen right here.
My condo, it's been so long, blow a lot of money on ops. I'm trying to put them in the pronto, I'm trying to smoke, talk about money all the time. I can't change the combo, 800 a zip for my jacket and shoes. Go make a serve and jump back in the booth. New car smell, the Ferrari are cool. Just enough room to fit me in your booth. Hard to sort out all the fake from the real. Gotta look at
OG got the 328 looking right. Haven't seen it that clean probably since I bought it. Radiator in there, just dropped the fan in. We're gonna go ahead and just put some water, test the pressure on Mike's E92. Tire lower coupler for the bottom of this charge pipe was not even connected.
Worst car to put a coupler on. You don't have these on.
Swift having fun in here, man, as usual.
That's why I don't fuck with the hoe no more. That's why I don't fuck with the hoe.
Hey, I think my transmission's wobbling a little bit top end. Oh! What?
Blow a lot of money on diamonds. The main reason why I be shining. Ice on ice. Lost a lot of money in the trap. Then got it back off rhyming.
As I said, we'll cut back to when we are in the big X5 diesel. About to go ahead and load all my tools up from the 328. Get them in the X5 diesel. Get a cold start, a walk around for everyone. We're gonna get a POV when we drive it to the shop. Get some good cinematics of the car when we get it in some better lighting. But yeah, just a quick walk around, everyone. This is the new daily. Just bought it this Sunday. It's Tuesday right now. Black interior with the silver trim. Already got my junk already in there. Let's go ahead and get a cold start for you and load all these parts up and get a little time lapse.
She gon' get round when I'm in town at the penthouse getting pinned down. Blow a lot of money on
328 to the new X5. So much more room for tools in the back, and the back seats are not even full. Not used to the automatic trunk. What am I doing? Not used to that fancy. Automatic trunk closed. Let's go ahead and get that cold start. Because when I bought the car going, I did not know it was already downpipe and tuned, I believe. I do think it has a tune. We're gonna go ahead and start it up right now and get that first cold start. Definitely think it has a tune. Not gonna lie, I'm already falling in love with this car. It sounds so good. Glad I didn't have to go ahead and put the downpipe on, because I heard putting downpipes on the M57 is not no fun. Round up and get some shots, and we're gonna do a POV on the way to the shop. Probably do an oil change on it today. I had ordered some parts the day I bought it on Sunday, hoping they would come in to install in this video. Depending on when I put this video out, we will be doing a series modding this, turning it into a modern day supercar. Be going off the same way Danny Z makes his videos. I love the way he made his series with his X5 for his girl. So we're gonna be doing the same type of series on my E70 X5 diesel. And soon we will have some parts coming in upgrading for the X5.
The way that I'm driving this race, they about to put me on suicide watch. Can't choose what color I'm feeling today. Thank God it's a two-tone watch. He don't like what I'm doing, he probably a say at the end of a do somebody. My big brother like Marshawn Lynch, he run through somebody. She done caught me on a bad day, her so perfect it ruined my headspace. The driver goes straight to the
It does have the backup camera and parking sensor package. One of the first cars I've had since the F30 with a backup camera. So glad to have that already with the parking sensors. It is not the Sport or the LCI package. I'm still getting used to the E70 body, so I'm glad to go compare mine to Boosted Mari's. If you not know, my boy Mari does have an X5 diesel, and my boy Swift just got one Saturday. Really what motivated me to get this Sunday, the day after he bought his, I found this on Facebook and bought it. It was 123,000 miles, clean title, 2-owner X5 diesel. Silver with the silver trim, black interior, one of the best specs I could find. I do not think I could find a better deal, especially with it already downpipe and tune, backup camera, parking sensors. It is a really clean spec. This a good or bad daily? I've heard a lot of good stuff about the M57, and Mari's been having a good experience with his, so I think it's going to be a good car, especially when we take it on trips. I cannot wait to see the BMW 335 behind it on the trailer going to Florida, North Carolina, wherever we decide to go 2025. We're gonna have a lot more opportunities to take it out of state to races and just have a lot more fun this year, man. It's gonna be a good investment for me and a good investment for the channel. Can't wait to get it on the road, doing some trips this year. Like I said, it's gonna be a good year. Interior is mint though. One thing we will have to be upgrading, the screen that is fading. Definitely be getting an Apple CarPlay coming soon and some more mods for the X5, making it look even more modern. Got my tools back there, and the back seats are completely untouched. Have more room in the back and the back seats. So gonna be even better for doing my mechanic work. I think this is gonna be a great new daily. A little bit of snow left, is about officially gone, but next week they are calling for more snow in Georgia. I have no idea what's going on this year with the weather in Georgia. But I did want to say I'm sorry for not making N54 content. I know everyone probably wants to see more races and content with the $1,000 335. But with the weather conditions being so cold, don't worry, you will see a lot more content coming with it. It's slowly starting to warm back up and the weather's getting better. I have a couple races locked in for the 335. I'm excited for everyone to see. We have a Hellcat race coming up, a boosted G37 by Admin Tuning, and some other races I can't even think of right now, but a lot is coming for the channel, so make sure you subscribe now and do not miss upcoming videos on the $1,000 335. Saying for a while, we are going to get the E90 $1,000 335 bumper painted. Finally just picked it up after a week of being sick. Was supposed to pick it up last week, install it with a video, but I do have some parts coming to make a video doing a lot of cosmetics along with the painted front bumper on the $1,000 335 coming soon, so make sure y'all don't miss that. Gonna finally do some cosmetics to my car, make it look a lot better. After doing so much performance, it's time to make it look good in the front. Even though a lot of y'all ain't seeing the front, we're gonna make the front look good. First little sneak peek you'll see of it, the paint looks mint. Finally found me a good painter for a good price. As you see, like as you should do when you buy every car, go ahead and do a fresh oil change. Okay, so you can see there is some leftover oil from whoever did another oil change or something on here. Changed, knocked out, definitely was needed. Just check the air intake filter. They actually swapped it recently because it still looks new, and I checked the cabin filter. Cabin filter also looks new, so we also got blessed on that. It looks like the coolant tank has been replaced too, how new it looks with the hose, so looks like we got blessed on this deal, everyone. Up the hill. Taking off. Oh. Hey, I swear this has more kick than a stock 335, or I'm telling you, it has to have a tune on it.
You gon' notice the season I walk.
Yeah.
It's a pen, it's not a law. You got the G that is not a straight off. If I put on white, then it's gotta be off. G knows in her word without body guitar. Sensitive turning me on. Wanna know what that cardio cost? Put a Rolex on the arm. When I made my first million, I ain't paying it. I'm only drink out this hill. Now I'm done with Zany. I bought my mama a crib. I'm outstanding. I'm touch my cup and bill. Those my granny, got my interior all on the outside candy. I put your in bomb because she pretty.
Tranny fluid for a service immediately. And it looks like this shit came in. One of them fucking busted. Saw though, we have got some tint already on the X5D. Windows to match the back, and we got the front windshield done. Just showed a second ago, I got these very cheap yellow DRLs. I'm gonna try to put on the X5D. I'm gonna put on the X5D real quick. Let's go ahead and put these in and see how it looks, and we'll put a before and after of the lights. Yellow DRLs for the running lights are on there. See them just a little bit on the other halo, but you can really see them on the one to the right. But I would say it was a success. $14.99 halos, just the running light DRLs. Yellow running lights. I think it looks good though with the yellow DRLs. Comment how you think those came out. Some more mods to come for this car, so don't worry, we will be modding out the X5 just like every one of my cars. We'll wrap up the video with the new daily X5 diesel. Make sure you watch the next video on the X5 diesel, modding it even more with the Apple CarPlay 10.25 inch screen is coming, so make sure you watch the next video and stay tuned into the channel.